Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Now, today we will do a revision class for block 1. Okay?
Okay.
So, I'll be asking you the questions. If you know the answer, just raise your hand. Until I call your name, you should not answer. Okay? And everybody will get the turn. You have to wait for your turn. Am I clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
So, the first block is all about leaves, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So in the first lesson of the block, we have learned about the leaf plants. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So can any one of you tell me what are the two main parts of the leaf?
Yes.
Yes, Chaitanya.
Ma'am, leaflet and leaf.
Leaf blade and leaf. What is the other one? Yes, Manaswini. No. Yes, Avantika.
Petiole.
Very good. Everybody clap for Chaitanya and Avantika. Now tell me the other parts of the leaf. Who will tell? Yes, Soumya. Priyansh.
Ma'am, midrib and weeds.
Okay. And why the leaf? Sit down, please. Everybody clap for Soumya. Now tell me, what is the color of the leaf? Yes, we couldn't.
And dark green and yellow red.
Yes. Now, generally the leaves are green in color. Why do you think the leaves are green in color? It has?
Stars.
No. Anybody else? Why the leaves are green in color? Okay, your turn is finished. Yes, Vidyumna.
Ma'am, because there is chlorophyll inside.
Because a green substance is present, which we call it as?
Chlorophyll.
Very good. Clap for Vidyumna, everyone. We couldn't also told correctly, but don't forget the terms which we are learning newly, okay? Chalo, sit down. Children, what are the tiny pores present on the leaf, under the leaf? What are the tiny pores that are present under the leaf? Soumya, your chance finished. Until everybody finish your chance, I'm not going to give you. Okay? Okay.
Food.
No. Yes, Ceci?
Petioles.
No. The tiny holes which are present under the leaf. Yes. No. Yes, Priyansh.
Stomata.
Very good. Clap for Priyansh, everyone. Very good. See? Now, any one of you can come to the board and draw the different shapes of the leaf. Soumya, no. Vidyumna finished. Manaswini finished. Vikund finished. Vidiksha. Manasvi, you come and draw the different shapes of the leaves. Take a chalk. So, until she finished the drawing of the leaves, children, let's continue with the next lesson. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So, which part of the plant is called as kitchen of the plant, children? No, Ceci. Yes, Manaswini. Which part of the plant is called as kitchen of the plant?
Chlorophyll.
No. Lakshmika, you tell me. Which part of the plant is called as kitchen of the plant? Yes, Rayan. Very good. Clap for Rayan, please. Sit down. Sit down. Okay. Why do you think it is called as kitchen of the plant? Why the leaves are called as kitchen of the plant? Why leaves are called as kitchen of the plant? Yes, Vidyumna.
Ma'am, because they make food for the plant.
Very good. Everybody clap for Vidyumna. Because they make the food for the plant. Now tell, please sit down with Jimna. Now tell me, what leaf need to make the food? Yes, we couldn't.
And sunlight, water,
Sunlight. Slowly you say sunlight,
water,
water, and
oxygen.
no. Yes, Vidiksha.
Sun energy and air, water and soil.
From the soil they'll absorb the water. Okay. From the air, which gas do they need?
And carbon dioxide.
Then just now you told oxygen. Which gas?
Carbon dioxide.
Presence of mind. Okay, sit down. Everybody clap for Vikund and Vidiksha also. Now the third lesson is about how can we test the leaves to whether it has starch or not. Okay, we have some steps in it. Four steps we have, isn't it, children?
Yes.
Who will tell me the first step? Yes, Soumya.
Take a green leaf and boil it in hot water.
Why we need to boil it in water? There is a reason for every step, no? Why we are boiling in the hot water?
To test us.
No. To test is okay. Why we are boiling only in the water first? Yes, Rayan?
To soft.
To soft the leaf. Okay? Okay, sit down. Who will tell me the second step? Yes, Vidyamna.
We should the leaf. The chlorophyll will break
No. What is the second step? Priyansh, what is the second step to test the presence of starch in leaf?
the presence of starch and leaves is
How do we test it?
we can test in hot water.
After that, what is the second step I'm asking? You don't know?
I know.
Then say faster.
If you boil in hot water,
After hot water,
the leaf will be color.
no. Chaitanya, what is the second step? Your chance finished.
And you complete.
Sit down with him now. Yes, Ceci.
We should put in alcohol.
You have to put it in the alcohol or you have to boil it in the alcohol?
Boil it
Why we have to boil it in the alcohol?
to make it colorless.
To make it colorless. How it becomes colorless? The leaf will be in green color, no? Why it is becoming colorless? Yes, Vikund.
And the chlorophyll will go.
The chlorophyll will break down. It breaks down and the leaf becomes colorless. Okay, very good. Sit down. What is the third step, Avantika?
Third step and finally we should
That is the fourth step. Third step I am talking. After boiling in the alcohol,
and we should put in the cold water to be soft.
again to make it soft, we have to put it in the cold water. What is the last step, Manaswini?
Finally the leaves should put
No. No, wait. We could you said many answers. Chaitanya, think and tell me what we have to do in the last step. Which chemical we need to put it on the leaf?
salt.
No. Which chemical? Rayan, which chemical we need to add it on the leaf to know the presence of starch? We learn a new chemical in this lesson. Lakshmika, which chemical we need to add? No. No. Ask Avantika because she only started with the point. No. Yes. What we have
I
to?
don't have.
Iodine. We need to add the Iodine drops to the leaf. Now tell me, please sit down. When you add this iodine to the leaf, what will happen to the leaf? Yes, Priyansh.
Iodine.
Yes, iodine.
The starch. If you put iodine,
What happens to the leaf?
the starch will be blue and black.
The starch will be blue or black. The leaf turns into blue and black. Say it properly.
The leaf turns into blue.
Very good. If the leaf turns into blue and black, what does that mean?
That's called starch.
That means it has starch in it. Very good. Clap for yourself, everyone. Very good. Now, coming to our last lesson of the block, Priya, is the transpiration. What is this process called transpiration, children? Anybody? Transpiration. Anyone? Transpiration. Yes, Manaswini. Yes. Huh? No, no. Last lesson, children. What is photosynthesis? Please sit down. Do you remember what is photosynthesis? Yes, Avantika. What is photosynthesis, Chaitanya? No. Yes, Vidyamna. What is photosynthesis? Preparing of food by a plant is called as? What is transpiration then? While we were doing workbook, we learned about a plant covered in a plastic. Droplets. What are those droplets? Why the droplets are formed in the? How the droplets are formed on the cover? Yes, Soumya.
That's
No. Yes.
the transpiration.
By transpiration. So what is the meaning of transpiration?
Plant is
Plant is releasing the excess water is called transpiration. Listen, children. What do you mean by transpiration? Transpiration means releasing the excess water from the leaves through stomata. That is called transpiration. Don't forget, this is a new concept for you all. Okay, so as you remember photosynthesis, like preparing the food for the plant, in the same way transpiration is also a process done by a plant to remove the excess water from the plant. Am I clear, children?
Yes.
Now let's see the drawing of Manasvi. Okay, one more you draw, one more different shape. Chaitanya, come and draw another way of. Take a chalk and draw one more different shape of the plant leaf. Give the chalk, Mama. Everybody clap for Manasvi. Go, Manas. Yeah. Draw a standing line in between. Okay. So by this, can we say the leaves are of different sizes, different shapes, different colors also?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is about our block 1, children. So in okay, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.